Here we are with our kale soup. Now with the kale already. Okay. I put some chickpeas because I had some leftover from another meal. Okay. But the traditional kale soup, or caldo verde, of course, only takes the potato puree and the cabbage in itself. I also like to put a little bit of rice, not much, just a sprinkler of rice to make it stronger. And I use the wooden spoon. This is a Portuguese wooden spoon. It's beautiful, doesn't scratch the bottom of the pan, and I use it in many things. So now I'm gonna turn off the heat. I correct it for salt or olive oil if needed, or more water, whatever. And then I check if the cabbage is cooked, because sometimes it takes longer, but I think it's cooked. The salt I use is sea salt. Okay, I like sea salt. That's the best, I think, more organic. Okay, sea salt. And I also have a Portuguese sausage right here called chouriço, and the boiled egg. I have more eggs, of course. And then what I do sometimes is I put some bread in the bottom of my soup bowl, and then I put the soup on top, and I love it. I love it. This is again Portuguese bread. You can put croutons, you can put anything you like that you slice on top to your guests or to your family. So then now I'm gonna use, see, it's in a way strong. Sometimes kale soup is not this heavy, but I mix the other stuff, other vegetables, like I said. Okay, here we go. In a previous video I mentioned the temperature, and the temperature being today 30 degrees. What I mean is 30 degrees Celsius. I'm talking about the European style Celsius, but it's like 90 degrees Fahrenheit in the east coast of the United States. It's very muggy, very humid, and oh, I should turn this off. I turned it off. And now I also decorate with a little bit of chorizo and a little bit of egg, and it's gonna be my lunch. I hope you like it. Look for the recipe. It's called kale soup, Portuguese style. In restaurants they only do the potato puree, and then sometimes they boil the cabbage on the side on another pot, and then they just mixed it in. But this is my style. My family likes it. It's different, but it's a little heavier, but I love it this way. Today is not the best way to make soup, indeed, being 95 night, but I was in the mood for some caldo verde. Kale soup, where can you buy it already shredded? Usually in Portuguese bakeries, stores, fish markets in the East Coast. I don't know where you can find them. You can also buy the greens, the kale soup, and shred it very fine. It has to be really very fine, sometimes with a specific machine. But if you are skillful enough, you can do it in the wooden board with a very sharp knife, and you have your cabbage already shredded. See how fine it is? Okay, so that's my recipe for today. Kale soup, Portuguese style, or should I say Claudia's style is just too heavy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment. Thank you. Bye bye.